If you're a man and you're suffering from constant trips to the toilet, difficulty urinating, or feel that your energy is no longer the same, then this video could change your life. Today, I'm going to tell you all about Prostadine, a 100% natural supplement that has transformed the prostate health of thousands of men. And there's more. There's a special link in the description for you to secure yours. Stay with me until the end because this information could be decisive for your well-being. Prostadine is a revolutionary prostate health supplement formulated with scientifically proven natural ingredients. Unlike other products on the market, it acts directly at the root of the problem, promoting healthy prostate and urinary system function without unwanted side effects. So I'm telling you, if your question was whether Prostadine works or is any good, the answer is yes, it does, and it can bring you great benefits. Here are a few. Reduces prostate inflammation, reduces frequent trips to the toilet, improves urinary flow, increases energy levels and mood, 100% natural formula with no health risks. The secret lies in its advanced composition with ingredients such as saw palmetto, nori-yaki algae extract, and neem, which work together to restore prostate health from the inside out. Thousands of men have already tested and approved Prostadine. We receive daily testimonials from men who are very satisfied with the results obtained with this treatment. Using Prostadine is simple. Just take 2 droppers full a day, preferably in the morning. You can pour them directly into your mouth or into your favorite drink. In just a few days, you'll start to feel the difference. Now you have 2 options. Continue suffering with the same problems or take a step towards changing your life for good. And to help you, I've left a special link in the video description for you to secure your Prostadine at an exclusive discount. And the best part, safely, because it's the official Prostadine website. But beware, this offer is limited time. So click on the link in the description now and get yours before stocks run out. Take care of your health, recover your energy, and live a better life. See you in the next video. See you later.
Click on the link in the description and buy your Prostadine, only today on our official website with a super discount for you.